sometimes need some data to be duplicated in multiple worksheets. Today I will show you 4 ways you can achieve the same. First, by using formula. With this method you can customize the location in multiple sheets. Second, by grouping sheets. With this method you will be able to write in same location in multiple sheets. Third, by auto grouping sheets using VBA code. Fourth, by using VBA, you can duplicate data in multiple worksheets in customized location. To explain this, we have taken 4 sheets and we want our data in the quantity column from sheet 1 to be entered in sheet 2, 3 and 4 simultaneously. To achieve the same using formula, let us go to the sheet 2, click to C2, press equal to, then go to sheet 1 and click C2. Finally press enter. Now copy this formula from C2 to C21 by double clicking the fill handle. This will insert a formula in all the cells. You can write the same formula in sheet 3 and sheet 4 also. Once this formula is entered, whenever you enter any data in the quantity column, same data will also be entered in the sheet 2, 3, 4 wherever the formula is written. Now, Excel's built-in mechanism for making data go to multiple places at once is feature called group. It works by grouping the worksheets together so that they are linked with the workbook. To use the grouping feature manually, simply click the sheet which you will be entering the data and press the Ctrl key while clicking the name tabs of the worksheet. When you enter the data into any cell of your worksheet, they will be entered automatically in the other grouped worksheet. To ungroup your worksheet, either select one of the sheet not part of the group or right click any of the name tab and select the ungroup sheet, or control click the sheets you added to the group. Although this method is easy, it means you need to remember to group and ungroup your sheets as needed, or else you will inadvertently overtype data into another worksheet. To overcome this, I will show you how to make auto grouping using VBA code. For this code to work, it must reside within the private module of the same sheet. To quickly go to the private module, right click the sheet and select the view code. You can then use one of the Excel sheet events, which are events that take place with the worksheet, such as changing cell, selecting a range, activating, deactivating and so on, to move the code into the private module for the sheet object. We have used here worksheet selection change. You can copy the code to perform the action. First line of the code to check whether any selection changes in the range C2 to C21. Then it will make group of sheet 1, 2 and 3. Otherwise it will select the current sheet and it will be ungrouped. With this code, you can avoid manually grouping and ungrouping of sheet. There is another problem with this method. Data can be entered in the same location of each sheet, which may not be always suitable for you. With our next procedure, you can duplicate data in multiple sheets as per your desired location. If you want the same data to appear in other sheets but not in the same cell address, copy this code in the private module. Here we have used worksheet change event. Like previous, our first line ensures that code will work if there is any changes in the range C2 to C21. Next line copies data to range G2 of sheet 4. You can notice whenever you are entering data in the quantity column in sheet 1, it is automatically getting copied in the quantity column of sheet 4. You can copy data in other sheet also by entering more code like this. Now data will be entered in sheet 3 also simultaneously. Hope these tricks will help you to work in Excel much faster way. Please like this video and share. Don't forget to subscribe Excel in Life and press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos. If you want to know how to write subtotal, then click the video. Till then, goodbye and take care.